The location was chosen by an analysis of the area. We use Brainstorm as a tool to get the best solutions for the building. The choice fell on Mellem Broerne after the analysis. The building site is near shopping, public transport, entertainment, sport and other activities, park and green recreation areas, and good education. The infrastructure is great and near public transport. Choosing the building mass. A simple building mass gives the best advantages. By knowing the sun's path, we can integrate it and use it in the design of the building, and integrate the light and heat from the sun in the building, and protect the building from the sun's disadvantages. Byggegruppen work together as a team and know it can be rewarded at the end. Teamwork is an effort. The basement is one big parking garage with one parking lot for each apartment. And all the installations are assembled in one big room in the basement. To save electricity, we have light wheels down to the basement. On the ground floor we have commercial premises with beautiful view and flexible walls. The workspace is open and bright to make the workday comfortable for the employees. On the first floor we have 2 apartments with 2 bedrooms and 2 apartments with 1 bedroom. All the apartments has beautiful view to the Limfjord from the kitchen and the living room. The penthouse is an exclusive apartment with 2 bathrooms and walk-in closet. From the kitchen and the living room you got the beautiful view over the Limfjord, Aalborg and green recreation areas. A perfect spot for those who wants to be surrounded by nature but close to the heartbeat of the city. Byggegruppen AS. Build your future.